Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn and welcome to my channel. Before we get started, please look down below and make sure you're subscribed. And if you are already, thank you so much. And also give this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me and it really helps my channel out, helps get my video out there, and yeah. I am so excited to be able to sit down and film for y'all today. It has been so long, but there has just been so much going on. Right now, I am in a bit of a hurry, so that's why I'm kind of stumbling because I'm talking fast, but I'm trying not to talk fast. Anyways, my 2-year-old is asleep right now, so I'm trying to hurry up and film before she wakes up. That's why my hair looks a mess. I didn't have time to fix it and film. As always, my neck is hurting so bad. But tomorrow I go see a new doctor about my neck. This will be my 3rd doctor I'm seeing about it. But he is supposed to be doing epidural steroid shots in my neck. And so I'm really praying that that will help. We'll see when the time comes. But yeah. Oh, and also if you didn't notice, I'm so excited. I have reached 2K and my channel has been monetized. I couldn't be here without y'all, and I'm so thankful. And I don't have time to sit down and film it today, but I do have 2 giveaways coming because of that. I'm going to try to sit down Saturday and film. I'm going to have them going on at 2 different times. So the first one I'm going to do is my 2K giveaway, and it's going to be huge, and I'm so excited. So make sure you're subscribed and have the bell turned on so you don't miss that. But yeah, today I'm going to be doing another palette first impressions, eyeshadow palette first impressions from a palette that I found at TJ Maxx. This one is the Cargo Cosmetics Chill in the 6. It has super cute, super pretty packaging. And that's what it looks like. I've swatched a couple and they're super pretty. Normally I don't go for cool tones. So I picked this one because it is wintry and winter is right around the corner, and because it has a bunch of cool tones. So I want to step out of my comfort zone just a little bit. We'll see. And yeah, we'll just... Oh my goodness, y'all. I just realized something. One of the shades in here is called 1996, and that is the year that my late husband was born in. So yeah, I'm really glad I picked this palette out then. And we'll try to incorporate that shade in the look. Anyways, so that's cool. Alright, I'm going to zoom y'all in and we'll start a look and see how we feel about this palette. Alright, I'm going to go in with that shade right there and put that all over my lid. Make sure my lids are good and set. Y'all, I have so much pain going on right now. Like, these pinched nerves are just radiating pain down my neck on both sides. And it's like, oh, it just hurts so bad. I'm ready to get it fixed so I can be back to my normal chippery self. I feel like I've just not been myself lately, being in 24/7 chronic pain. But I'm super happy to be able to sit down and film because I have missed y'all so much. Now I'm going to go in with Goose, which is that brown shade. There's really not a transition shade, so I'm going to go in with that like super, super light. This is so dark, so I'm hoping I can make this work for a transition shade. I don't think this is going to work. Like, going in with it so light is making it patchy. But we're just going to make it work. So right off the bat, my first impression of this is I want a transition shade. I don't think my daughter's asleep. I think I just heard her talking to herself. Yep. So I'm gonna have to hurry up. Luckily she's in her crib, but I'm gonna have to hurry up. So I'm really not digging this shade. Like, it's like a gray brown. Like, I wish I wouldn't have started with this shade now. Like, can y'all see that? Like, how gray it looks. It's making me look like I have a black eye or something. I don't know. It's blending out easily, you know, as I'm adding everything, but it's so gray looking. I guess I'm just not used to cool tones. Tell me what y'all think, if y'all can see it. It may not even be showing up as well on camera. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Ontario. Anyways, whatever. I wasn't gonna go for a purple look, but I want to use that 1996 shade, and it's purple, so here we go. I'm just working that on the outer corner and in the base, outer corner and in the crease some. I'm packing some more of that shade right there on the outer corner and just blend in. I guess it's gonna be like a purple smoky eye. The colors blend easily. I guess that's a plus. I've got, I don't know, I say I've got to start working with cool tone shades, but they're just not for me. Like, to me, I just feel like I have a black eye. Like, I love warm tones, neutrals. But if you like cool tones, these are blending out easily. Minus that one shade, it was so gray looking, like I just can't. I'm trying, I am trying. I'm trying not to throw shade, but this is just, they're so cool that I look like I have a black eye. Or am I just being self-conscious? Like, y'all tell me y'all's thoughts. That side's darker. Let's deepen this side up a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my finger and use 1996. Like I said, my late husband that passed away 2 years ago, he was born in 1996. So, for this shade, I am super glad I bought it. I didn't even realize it till now. And that is a really pretty purple. There goes my daughter talking. I'm trying to hurry. Luckily, she's just in there chilling and talking. That is a really pretty color. I hope Kaylin likes it. I'm just going to blend around the edges of that. That is really pretty. Alright, now the one I've been super excited about, Arctic. And I'm just going with my finger. And I'm putting that on the lid. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty and so pigmented. That is so pretty. I am going to go back in with some more 1996. Put that in the middle. Okay. These two shades definitely saved this look. Definitely. Because those are super pretty. Okay, so I was iffy about whether or not I was going to keep this palette, but just for that shade, I am keeping it because I miss my husband and yeah. Alright, so minus the part, I don't know. Now that I have like the final eye look, I think it all blended out together, and those two shades like really saved it and brightened it up. So I'm actually really digging it, especially for a cool tone look, because yeah, I'm actually really digging it. Okay. I am gonna do my eyeliner, my mascara, and my setting spray off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, so this is the rest of my makeup done. And yeah, sorry, I'm looking at myself in the mirror, just kind of figuring out my final thoughts. Yes, I actually ended up really enjoying it. If you like cool tone palettes and you see this at your TJ Maxx, I do recommend it. I think it was like $6 or $7, so it's super affordable and the shades are really pigmented. The only thing I suggest is, if you can, try to avoid using Goose for a transition shade because it is so gray. I'm going to do a couple of swatches real quick. This is actually the shade Goose. It looks brown, but like when you put it on like super light, it's just so gray looking, you know? Anyways. This is that 1996 shade that I just used, and it is so pretty, so pretty. This is Arctic, which is the other one I used, and once again, it is so pretty. Let me just see if I can come up with another adjective to use other than pretty. I'm just kidding. Okay, this is Blizzard. Oh, that's stunning. Right there. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to be goofy. Alright. Now, this is called Maple. That is a really pretty brown shade. Like, that is really pretty and really pigmented. So, there's y'all a few swatches. Yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Once again, I am in a lot of pain, so I'm sorry if you're watching me like, oh, she's getting on my nerves. I'm doing the best that I can. I really am. Getting on here and filming when all I want to be doing is laying on my heating pad is a huge step for me. So know that I'm really trying for y'all. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all are amazing. And I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles.